Thank you everyone for making this possible. I have crossed 500 plus subscribers in this channel. Continue supporting me and help me to reach 1000 and more. Thank you once again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another healthy summer cold drink recipe, and that is Raagi cold drink. So without wasting time, let's see how to make this. In a bowl, I am going to add 1 cup of ragi. We need to wash this ragi very well. We need to wash it for about 4 to 5 times, because it collects a lot of dust in this, so it should be washed well. Here I have washed 4 times until I got clean water. Now we need to drain the water from this ragi. After the water is completely drained, roast it in a kadai or a pan. After completely drying, turn off the flame and put it on a plate and let it cool down completely. Once ragi is completely cooled down, transfer it in a blender or a mixer jar and add half cup of jaggery and 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 4 green cardamom, 4 soaked almond, salt as per taste. Add little water and grind it into a paste. Now add some water and grind it again. Now we need to strain it. Now add some water to the remained paste and grind and strain again. So do this process at least 3 to 4 times. And a healthy cold drink is ready. Now you can adjust the salt and sweetness, and you can keep it in refrigerator to get chilled cold drink, or you can have as it is. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video.